Is this still available?
Yes.
Not surprised.
When my parents take my phone away, so now I got a text on my fridge.
Bro, how are you recording?
Another fridge.
What kind of backing loser looks into an oven and smiles? First bite, oh my god. Second bite, oh hi god. Short's a comment.
Complaining about a comment being short and then having your comment being half what they wrote is wild.
First one was from Shorts, second from Reels, and third from Reddit.
Funny. Left a like.
This one from Facebook.